Free stuff. Omax. Got some tar paper nails. Other stuff. That's just my electrical box, but got the shop cleaned. Cleaned everything up. And a little puking last night. So, well, you see, we got a fire going. We'll fix this. You don't want to get up in there, do you? Yeah, I'll let you get down there. Yeah, let's go take a look at the field back there. I want to do a little field update. As you can see, there's grass everywhere. Now, I haven't mowed this yet, and I'll show you why. I didn't do a video on that, but I'll do a video on the other half of it. I wish I had my asparagus in here. It's still... Wow, you guys want to see a dandelion? Look at these dandelions. Oh. Look at that. As long as my leg almost. Look at that. Is as long as my leg. All the way down to my boot. That's a big dandelion. Man. Here's the, see, we got a little burn off in the smaller areas. But that rain will help it. It's definitely coming in thick though. I had 6 deer out here last night actually. Man, that right. But yeah, this is coming in real nice. As you see, there's clover. Tons of that clover underneath. So that's just coming right in. See, there's all this clover. Tons and tons of clover, tons of oats. And this oats stuff is just strong. I've been walking on it, and I think it just makes the stuff stronger. It's just freaking unbeatable. The deer been in here pounding it though. But that clover's all through here. There's patches everywhere. Now, I did 40 pounds of oats and I think 2 pounds of clover. No, that right. 2, or maybe it's 1.5 pounds. And that's not very much clover. But I still managed to get, and there's clover all the way out to here. I don't see any out here much. A couple little here and there. See, I started on this side with the clover, and I didn't make it over to this side. So where there's clover, it's, I don't know, I planted half this side, so I figured if this stuff seeds out, maybe I can get half of this side, a quarter of it I should say, to get some clover in it. I like clover myself. I'm a big clover guy. But the winter oats, I know they say you're not supposed to bale it, but I think it'd make good grass. Looks like fine grass to me. I don't know. Say you're not supposed to bale oats or something. I think that's just when it's stocked. This is like oat grass. So, I don't know. We'll find out. Because if I could bale it, it'd be some nice looking bales. Little onion tops. But yeah, we'll take a look up here, and there's 2 more rocks. Every time I walk out here, I pick them up. That way, eventually, in theory, that there won't ever be any But as you see, I gotta get this cut, raked up, cleaned, get it ready for the next season, or the next month, next cutting. The barn's coming along. I don't want to make too long a video today. 5 minutes. Haven't got it cut. Gotta cut this whole place. We got the neighbor's cut. As you see, there's a little problem here. That's good. That's a job well done. That's all burned. I'll show you what I'm talking about. This here, done. Tire is blown. See, there's the tube. But here's that tire. She just shot. Just blown. Yeah, it's just junk. Wouldn't even hold air anymore. Started getting rocks through here and ripped all them ropes. No good. So gotta buy a new one of them. Now I took that off myself. I'd never done that before. And I got the rim polished up pretty well. I think that tires might have been original. I think it really might have been. If not, it's been on there at least 30 plus years. This one, I think, is the exact same type of tire, and it looks just as much aged. But I think we'll end the video there, and I'll do a video putting that tire on the rim, I think. Like I said, I never did it taking it off or putting it on, so I've never had the chance to actually do that. So now I'm learning. I got a couple of tire tools. I wish I had some bigger spoons, but I got what I got. I can use crowbars even if I have to. But like and sub, and keep you updated here on the farm. Thank you.